Hello everybody. Today I'm super excited to share a new experience. So let's start our new video. So you can watch my thumbnail that there is written a sentence that is how to improve and how to learn speaking English fluently and eloquently. Like me, like a better position. Also think about English like a British English, not American English. So just practice English. So this is Dula in front of you. I'm studying in 10 as well as I'm just practicing English for 3 years. Just is my new video. This is my first video in English on YouTube. So how to learn and how to start English journey. So first of all, if you speak in English and if you want to speak in English fluently with your confidence, so there are a lot of tips I'll share you. So first of all, you have to learn A, B, C, D. These types of word also. Then you have to learn some grammatical items. Then you have to learn vocabulary and verb. Also, if you speak in English fluently, you have to learn the usual vocabulary that will make you a great speakers, that will make you a positive person. So if you speak in English if you want to speak in English fluently, just you have to learn ABCD like British accent, and you have to memorize 2 or 3 thousand vocabulary, and it pronunciation will be so good like British. For example, American English table, but British English is so different. For example, table in American, in British English, table. This is so different. So just we have to memorize British accent. Also, you have to memorize some structure. If you want to speak in English, your speaking level improve this structure. So this is so important for everyone. And then next, then listen. We have to listen English podcast or British English accent. If you want to speak English in English like a British native speaker, we have to learn these types of podcast video. For example, you want to be a businessman in the future, you can listen the Alibaba or Jack Ma. This is founder of Alibaba. You can watch this podcast or his videos. Also, this is the most important. That is so practice. We have to practice a lot of time. If you want to speak in English fluently and or eloquently, you have to just practice speaking English, and your English will be so improved by this practice. You can't speak in English, but just practice, just say, and you have to think in English. That will make your plan will be chosen. If you want to, if you can think in English, your English will be so good. So today, this is the end of my video. So Khuda Hafiz, goodbye.